Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display field in email using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to display field in user email or admin email. Now you see billing detail. So we are going to add custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down. You can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see get ID. So this is our ID of field. Now you see billing underscore company. So this is our ID and then you see title text, billing company email. Now go to checkout page. Now you see company name, right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open and then you see input type and then you see field ID billing underscore company. So you can add ID according to your requirement in custom code. Now back to code. Now you see we added billing underscore company. Now you see both location and then you see text billing company email. So we are going to show billing company in email for user and admin. So you can add your field ID here in both location. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now in billing detail page you see company name, enterprise company. Scroll down. Now you see product and then enable this option and then you see place order. So click on it. Now you see order received. Now go to email to check. So this is user order. Now you see thank you for your order. Thank for your order. Now scroll down. You see billing company email, enterprise company. So this is our user email. Now go to admin email. So this is our admin email. Now you see new order. Scroll down. Now you see billing company email, enterprise company. Now back to custom code. So by using this code you are going to display field value in email. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.